Hey guys, in today's video we're gonna quarantine and chill together. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Love you guys. First things first, coffee. I'm going to brush my teeth before I eat breakfast, and I'm going to be using my trusty HiSmile Day toothpaste. I really love this toothpaste because it contains 3 ingredients that I love. I've just been loving it so much. The first one is aloe. Everyone loves aloe. Aloe is antimicrobial, antibacterial, and also I really love that it contains this microshell wax called carnauba wax that pretty much shields your teeth and prevents stains from forming on your teeth throughout the day. So that's just really important to me. The last thing that it contains is magnesium carbonate. Magnesium carbonate is a mild abrasive that helps to remove debris and stains from your teeth. It's just such a great toothpaste. It tastes really, really good. Wow, my teeth feel super clean. It almost looks like it's even brighter. I love it. This video today is sponsored by HiSmile, so thank you so much HiSmile for sponsoring this video. I can't wait to see all the amazing things my HiSmile toothpaste has to offer. I just used the day toothpaste. Later on tonight, I'm going to be using the HiSmile night toothpaste as well as my HiSmile tooth whitening kit, which I've talked about before in a video, which I will link up here. And this is all the stuff that's in it. So cool. You guys are gonna see this later tonight, so hang in and watch the whole entire video. So I try to get about 30 minutes of a workout in my living room before I take a shower. I do a lot of body weight training because obviously we're in quarantine and we can't go anywhere. And these just help me get ready for the morning and just get my mind right and ready to take on the day. I'm all dressed up and I'm ready to take on my day, so let's go get some breakfast. This breakfast was so good. Ooh, it's so good. So after breakfast, I do my dishes and then I start editing, which is pretty much what takes up most of my weekends. And then I put some laundry in the washer, dryer, read a little bit, and then it's time for lunch. For lunch, I'm gonna get some chips and some peppers.
This is that once in a lifetime.
It tastes so good. After lunch, I do some more editing until I get tired, and I take the clothes out of the dryer, and then it's time for dinner.
Hey, what are we making today?
We're making some lemon butter barramundi.
Is that Indian?
I have no idea what country this is from, but barramundi sounds like it could be African. You know, just giving my people some credit.
No, it's definitely Indian.
Lots of some butter, so I got some scallion whites in there, and this is going to be for the rice.
Man, I came from the north, I'm Alaskan cold. Man, I came from the north, I'm Alaskan cold. Take time, never been in a rush. Never been
not just saying that because I made it. Maybe a little bit.
Hold up. Take time with mine, I've never been in a rush. Mush.
It's been a long quarantine day. For toothpaste tonight, I'm going to be using the HiSmile night toothpaste. I've been using this for a couple of days now and I'm like obsessed with it. I love it so much. It has activated charcoal and bentonite clay. Activated charcoal is amazing because it helps to remove dirt and stains and debris from your teeth. It's just an amazing ingredient. It also has bentonite clay. Bentonite clay has antimicrobial properties, which is great because I use turmeric for my dinner tonight. So I really like to get any form of stain that I might have incurred throughout the day due to use of these ingredients. After that, we're gonna use our teeth whitening kit. I'm excited.
It's like
Alright, next I'll be using my HiSmile teeth whitening kit. It comes with a shape card that of course tracks your progress with it. It comes with a syringe that helps you put the product on the mouth guard. I really like this product because it has those 3 great new ingredients that have been added to this new formula. I'm gonna list all the benefits of all 3 right here for you guys. They're just such amazing ingredients that really help keep your oral hygiene in the best condition. Attach the mouth guard to the LED battery. It's best to use this after you brush your teeth. Use one application before bed. Make sure you take before and after photos so you can track your results. Use for 6 consecutive nights, even on those lazy nights. Also, try to avoid foods that will stain your teeth throughout that period. Mouth guard is on. I'm gonna go ahead and put this on the mouth guard. I'm gonna put this on, I'm gonna wait for 10 minutes and the LED light should go off. Thank you guys for coming along with me. I hope you guys continue to live your best quarantine life.